Hi students, I'm Miss Bahra. I'm your math teacher. So today we are going to study this subject together. Okay. Chapter 6, lesson 5. What do we have? Factors and multiply. I know from the beginning when you see the name of it, what are the factors and what is the factor, maybe you will confuse it. Be with me, you're gonna know it, okay? Look students, for example, we have write the factors of the 12. I know you don't know it, just be with me. Look, do it like that. Write 1 squared times another one equal to 12. First of all, write this one for yourself. Everything will be okay at that time, okay? Look, you're gonna say what? Which number times which number equal to 12? This is the rule that we have to use it, okay? Just think about it. First of all, every time for every number you have to write 1 times the number. What's the number? 12. I know that 1 times 12 equal to 12. So think another one. Do we have another number that we have to multiply and equal to 12? Of course we have it. 2 times 6 equal to 12 also. And then another one. Do you have another one also? Of course we have 3 times 4 equal to 12. Okay, we have done. So if I ask you, do we have another number that we multiplied and it becomes 12? Maybe you're gonna say, teacher, 6 times 2. No, I wrote 2 times 6. We don't have to write it again the same thing, just change the places. No, do not do it like that. Teacher, 4 times 3. Okay, 3 times 4 I wrote it. We don't have to write it again. 4 times 3. It's the same thing. Don't just change the places, say 12 times 1. No. When you write it one time, do not change the places and say this is another multiplying. No. 1 times 12, 12, 2 times 6, 12, 3 times 4, 12. Okay, we have done till here, but why we wrote this kind of the things, sorry. Why we wrote these kind of the things? We have to find the factors. Now, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. These numbers are the factors of the 12. These numbers that you use it, that you multiply it and equal to 12, the measure will be 12. So these numbers will be the factors of the 12. So how you are gonna write it for me? Factor FC, don't write all the factors, okay? Factor of 12, teacher, equal to 1, then 12, then 2, I don't have place, that's why I'm writing down. Okay, then 6, then 3 with the 4. 3 with the 4, okay? These numbers are the factors of the 12 because you use it for the multiplication and the result of it will be 12. Okay. Let me go to the another question here again. Write the factors of the 6. Look students, I told you do like that, open 2 squares and the result was 6. And then which number would multiply with which number equal to 6? I told you from the beginning, and the first time you have to do what? 1 times 6. 1 times 6. Please do not forget the 1, because every number has a factor. Even if we have, let's say, 107. Okay, maybe you don't know 107. Which number multiply with which number it becomes 107, but of course you know that 1 times 107 equal to 107. Every time you have to write the 1 for the number, okay? Then think about another one. We have 2 times 3, teacher. Of course, 2 times 3 equal to 6. So, have we done? Yes, we have done. Do not say, teacher, 3 times 2. I told you, 1 time, write it. Don't change the places of it and done. So if I think about it, I don't have any more. So I have done. So what are these numbers that I use it for the 6? These numbers are the factors. You're gonna say, teacher, factor of 6 equal to 1, 6, 2, 3. 2 and 3. So these are the factors of the 6. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, what about the multiply? When they were gonna ask you multiply, look, write the multiply of 4. Okay, only the factors you will do like that. For the factor, do this one. But when they say multiply, we studied the multiplication of 4. Okay, we studied the table of the multiplication of 4. We don't need that one. Just write the 4 times 0. Just write the multiplication of 4. 0. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. And then continue. Okay, this is the multiply, and the other one was the factors. So let me compare it quickly for you. Look. Okay, here we have write the factors of the 6, and then here we have multiply of the 6. For the factors, I told you, you have to do it 2 squares. Which number times which number equal to 6? You have to use this rule. But for the multiply, directly write the multiplication of 6. Okay? Again, 1 times 6 equal to 6. And then 2 times 3 or 3 times 2, no matter, equal to 6. Do you have any more? No, of course we don't have. So factor of 6, teacher, equal to 1, 6, 2, 3. 1, 6, 2, 3. Teacher, these are the factors of the 6. So what about that part? Okay, you have to just write the multiplication of 6. 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. And then continue. So as you see, factors and the multiplies are different. So do not confuse it. For the factors, use this rule. Everything will be clear. And the multiplies, you know the table of the multiplication. Just write the multiplication of the 6 or any numbers that they will gonna ask you. I hope you will understand. And then if you didn't understand, please repeat the video. Inshallah, you'll get it. Have a nice day. See you for the next lesson. Bye.